G'day everyone, I'm Wayne Groomes. Got an Isuzu Dmax 2017 model, got a new bull bar delivered and we're going to fit it. Two-part video. First part, unboxing the bull bar, all the bits that go with it. I'll take some pics of the instructions or destructions and we'll post all that. Second part will be fitting it to the actual Dmax. If you get anything at all out of this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos. Let's get on with it. So the shipping weight is 120 kilos, which is about 110 kilos when you get rid of all the bits that are going to be thrown out. Take about 30 kilos off the car, so the actual weight added to the vehicle is going to be around that 80 kilos mark. That's approximate. Well, this is how it comes wrapped. My God, they don't want it to get scratched, that's for sure. It's probably going to take me longer to unwrap it than it is to put it on. Let's get to it. Comes with a separate winch cradle that allows the excess weight to be supported directly by the chassis. Dobinson's 4x4 part. Product, bull bar, suit vehicle, Isuzu Dmax. Nuts and bolts and some instructions. Couple seals. The mounting bracket. Mounting kit's unpacked. Unpack the crash plate and the body kit. This one cost me $1,150 and I picked it up from Brendale. Dobinson's at Brendale. Now that's packing. Dobinson bar. It's taken me 3 sessions. I've had to have 2 rests, 2 cup of teas just to unpack it. It was never going to get scratched. It's a bull bar. It's going to get scratched. It looks good though. So the reason I'm fitting this bull bar to the Dmax, didn't really want a bull bar or need a bull bar. I really wanted the winch. Do a few trips over to Fraser and North Straddy, and quite often do the inland tracks. There are trees both sides of the tracks, and I do a lot of this on my own, so It's for insurance purposes more than anything. So probably never ever get to use it. I'll service it every few months, pull it out, push it in. Apart from that, it'll probably never get used. But it'll make me feel better. That's why I got the bull bar. It's a heavy duty powder coated finish in black. It's got high lift jacking points, which is awesome. The Dobinson bar is airbag compatible. It's also winch compatible. It comes with the little indicator and park lights. A 3mm thick main body. 4 to 5mm thick brackets. Well, that's the bull bar. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for part 2. It won't be far away since I get a weekend free. I'll fit that bull bar. We'll take a few pics of that and we'll post that one as well. So part 2 will be fitting the bull bar to the Dmax.